Smart multipurpose room design is one of the most powerful ways to keep home construction budget-friendly while still making every square foot work hard. When we talk about multipurpose spaces, we are really talking about assigning at least two clear functions to a single room without making it feel cramped or chaotic. Start by listing every activity that needs a dedicated spot in the home, then group compatible ones together, such as guest sleeping and home office, or playroom and media room. Use vertical space aggressively with wall-mounted storage, high shelves, and tall cabinets so the floor stays open for different uses throughout the day. Convertible furniture like a Murphy bed or a sofa that folds into a sleeper lets a home office or den turn into a comfortable guest room in seconds, and you can choose models with built-in shelves or desks so you are adding storage, not just a bed. Movable partitions, such as sliding panels, folding screens, or ceiling-mounted tracks with curtains, allow you to create privacy when needed and then open the room back up for a larger feel, which is especially helpful in open-plan living, dining, and kitchen areas. Thoughtful lighting is crucial, so plan separate lighting layers with task lights for desks, brighter general lights for chores, and softer accent lights for relaxing, all controlled by simple switches or dimmers, so the mood matches the current function. A few common mistakes can quietly sabotage a multipurpose layout, even if the idea is good. Many people try to cram too much furniture into one room, which kills flexibility, so a better approach is to choose fewer pieces that each do more than one job, like a storage ottoman that works as seating, table, and hidden bin. Sometimes all the storage ends up as deep closets or big bins, which makes switching between functions a chore, so it works better to use shallow, labeled storage near each activity zone so things are easy to put away and pull out quickly. Another frequent issue is forgetting about noise and privacy, especially in open plan designs, so add simple sound softening tools like rugs, fabric curtains on those movable partitions, and soft furnishings. And if possible, position quiet zones such as desks and daybeds away from the noisiest traffic paths. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easier to turn these design ideas into real projects by helping homeowners find local contractors who understand multipurpose and budget-friendly construction. On our site, contractors can showcase their work and connect with people who need projects. And we also host a discussion community where homeowners and pros trade practical tips, lessons learned, and creative multipurpose room ideas.